All right, so I sprayed in all of these hinges. Just want to see if it would work. Long story short, it does work. And I'm going to show you what it sounds like now. So let me just walk over here to grab. Bought that shop vac, by the way. My tripod. And then I'm going to set you up. Stay focused. So the name of the game is to put you in roughly the same spot as I had the other, or the before video. And this is just a video to give you the before and the after once you put on these green hinges and what it's supposed to sound like. Get a load of this. Yeah, so what you got to say about that? This is much quieter than just having the regular hinges on like before. These green hinges definitely does help, and it is keeping it pressed up a lot better against the wall here. I'm not getting as much light through, as you can see. And then when I go to open my garage or the door leading into my house, yes, I have a house. You're not seeing, let me open the door here. The garage door doesn't open or move as much when I open my door. So I would say it's been fixed. What I set out to do for this has been fixed. And now I can turn my attention back towards the focus. So I'm going to attempt to paint this thing here in the near future, but we'll save that for the upcoming episode. I want to finish off the green hinge to let y'all know that, yeah, with the green hinges put on and then, you know, siliconing in the other hinges for the garage door, you can get it super quiet. Anyway, hopefully that helps anyone who's going to do this. Focus stands out. Peace.